Good day, grade 7. Today's topic is about properties of quadrilaterals. First, what is quadrilaterals? A quadrilateral is any closed two-dimensional shape with four straight sides. Example: looking at this tree shape, you see it has four sides. These three shapes are all quadrilaterals, but they have different properties. So let us discuss the properties of quadrilaterals. First, quadrilateral is what we call trapezium. Next is parallelogram. Next is rectangle. Next is square. Next is rhombus. And last is kite. Now, let us discuss the side of each quadrilateral. A trapezium, all sides, as you see, have different lengths. But it has one pair of parallel sides. A parallelogram, it has two pair of parallel sides and opposite sides are equal. This side is equal to this and this side is equal to this. Next, rectangle. Rectangle has also two pairs of parallel sides. This is the first pair and this is the second pair. And all opposite sides are equal, showing this arrow that this is parallel to this and this is parallel to this. Next, square. Square has two parallel sides and all sides are equal in length. Next, rhombus. Rhombus has two pairs of parallel sides and the same as the square, rhombus all sides is also equal. Kite has no parallel side but two pairs of equal sides. This side is equal to this and this side is equal to this. Next, let us discuss the angles of each quadrilateral. As you see, a trapezium has different measurement of angles. Parallelogram has opposite angles are equal. Showing the color, it means that this angle is equal to this and this is equal to this. Next is rectangle. The rectangle, all angles are right angles. Right angle, it has 90 degrees. Square. The same as the rectangle, a square has all angles in 90 degrees, or we call it also a right angles. Rhombus. Opposite angles are equal. The same as parallelogram. Kite. Opposite pair of equal angles. This is equal to this. Next, let us discuss about a reflective symmetry. First, what is a reflective symmetry? A symmetry, it is showing where you can fold the image and have both have much exactly. So, trapezium doesn't have a reflective symmetry. A parallelogram doesn't have a reflective symmetry. While rectangle, it has two reflective symmetry. A square has 4 reflective symmetry. 1, 2, 3, and 4. A rhombus has 2 reflective symmetry. 1 and 2. While the kite, it has 1 reflective symmetry. On the next lesson, I will discuss more about reflective symmetry. Next, rotational symmetry. A rotational symmetry, it is a number of times you can rotate the figure so that it's look exactly the same as the original figure. So trapezium doesn't have a rotational symmetry. A parallelogram has order of 2 rotational symmetry. It means if we rotate parallelogram 2 times, it will look the same as this figure. Rectangle has 2 order of rotational symmetry. A square has order of 4 rotational symmetry. Why? Because each time we rotate, since these have all equal sides, it will look the same. A rhombus has order of 2 rotational symmetry, while the kite doesn't have. So, there are things that you need to remember in this lesson. First, a quadrilateral is any closed two-dimensional shape with 4 straight sides, while the line of symmetry is the imaginary line where you could fold the image and have both halves match exactly. Next, the order of rotational symmetry is the number of times you can rotate the geometric figure so that it's look exactly the same as the original figure. So, a rotational symmetry of order 1 means that the shape will look its original only once you rotated the 360 degrees. That's all for today. The activity will be sent again, and I hope everyone will do the activity. Thank you for listening. Keep up the good work. See you soon.